For Muslims, this is the problem. Jesus was a man. He was no more than just a man. Let's just ask ourselves the question. Why was he called the Messiah? Why was he called the Anointed One? Why was he called the Holy One? Only God is holy. Why was Jesus given the title? Why is Jesus sharing the titles as God Almighty? Why is Jesus the only humankind on earth that was never touched by Shaitan? Why is Jesus the only man that is at the right hand side of God? Everybody else is in the grave. Why is it Jesus, out of 144,000 prophets, is coming back again to redeem the earth? Why is it only Jesus alone the devil is scared of? Why is it Jesus alone can raise the dead and move the sick and read the minds of men? Why is it Jesus alone can walk on water? Why is it Jesus? Here we go. Why is this one man so special? If he was not God, who was he then? Why?